Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FB Messenger notes not showing. Well, to fix this issue, first of all you have to just go to the settings of your phone, and once you're into the settings of your phone, just try to open apps management. And once here into the apps management, let me show you. Apps management is basically, it will show all the application which is installed in your phone. And once app management is open, you have to search for Messenger, right? So here we will search for Messenger, and here you have to go to the storage usage and clear the cache and also clear the data. And once you clear the data, make sure you will also have to re-log in into this Messenger application. Now just go to Play Store, right, and look for Messenger here. Right, because this is very important. This is the latest update of Messenger. So if you haven't updated your Messenger mobile application, make sure you update it right now. Then you can just if it is still not showing, then you can just join the beta version. It will definitely help you, and after that you can just reopen your Messenger, and you will definitely find your notes feature in your Messenger. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.